Taking a look at a new pocket knife I just bought. This one is a CJRB. They call this the Crag Tactical Cleaver. This one has their recoil lock, which is new for me. You pull back on this section here, and that lets it close. This one has a thumb stud, so it's real easy to open. It has, they call it titanium G10 handles. The blade is ARRP M9, new blade material for me as well. Really cool look to this one. It's easy to close, one-handed. This one is tip-up carry, has a clip that can go onto either side. There's a hole for the lanyard. Really cool overall shape, great comfortable handle. It's not too thick, and I really like the blade shape and that grind. This recoil lock is pretty neat, and it makes it real easy to open as well. Hope this helps.